So today I'm gonna start putting together our tiny house Ikea kitchen. So this is most of it right here. There's still a few pieces in the Jeep, like I think it's just like a couple drawers and stuff. But I'm just gonna start getting all the base cabinets put together and get those in place, and then get all the drawers put in it, and then do as much of the mounting as I can get done today. So yeah, this is pretty exciting, like most of this finishing stuff, so let's get started.
Oh yeah, we got some instructions. So I've got the first main base cabinet built. Now I have to do this 15-inch one and another 15-inch one. I have to build these and install them together. And then I can also put this up on the wall, which is what the cabinets, they kind of hook into that thing that'll be mounted up here on the backsplash. It's really cool that we can do this stuff ourselves. All right, let's get these two base cabinets built and get this shit mounted to the wall there. So I've got the wall mount bracket, I've got it cut, and what I need to do now is measure up 32 3/16, and that will be the bottom of this here. And then all I have to do is just screw this to the wall, and then I can just hang the cabinets on top of it. And then there's some fastening devices so that it'll be fastened to the bracket. What I'm gonna do is I still have some of that leftover flooring, this stuff here. So I'm gonna run it along the bottom here, because the back of the cabinets here have these little bumpers that should sit flat up against the wall. Since the top of the cabinet's gonna be right up against this here, it should be the same down at the bottom. All right, let's get that done. I'm using some 2-inch screws here with a washer, so it's going through the 1/2-inch flooring, 1/2-inch plywood, and then it'll only be going into the wall about 1/2 inch. I bought these 2-inch screws specifically just so that they're not going too far into the wall, because if I was using like a 2.5-inch screw or a 3-inch screw, I could be screwing into the studs or right where the electrical wires are gonna be. So it's nice to size your screws on a 2x4 wall so that they're not going more than 1 inch into the studs or anything like that. These screws are gonna be really useful when I'm screwing in the breakfast bar into the wall. So it'll be going through the 1/2-inch part of the side of the cabinet, then through 1/2-inch drywall, and then it'll go into the studs about 3/4 to a full inch. So I've just got to attach the feet on the bottom, then I can get this cabinet in place. When I do the next cabinet, I have to drill some holes out for this here. Now I just need to attach the feet. Now let's get this puppy in place. Got these little gray things here, and that'll help me attach the this thing to the brackets on the cabinets here. All right, so I've got the 3 cabinets installed. What I'm gonna do next is just screw through the side of one cabinet into the next one here, and same thing on this one here. I kind of messed up the faceplate on this one here, but they're only like $4 to replace, and then I'll just screw the handle onto the right side here. But oh yeah. And look at this mess out here. Holy moly, man. So it's like 5:30. I think I got here at just about 10 o'clock in the morning. So it took me 7.5 hours to get all these installed just to this point here. I didn't even get this side done. The hardest part is like just figuring out how to do things like the very first time. Like how I did it, like the first drawer I did it wrong, but then doing all the other ones it went a lot smoother. But these cabinets are like really nice and solid right now. And I'm totally pooped right now, so I'm gonna call this the end of today's vlog, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Hopefully we get the rest of this cabinet done, we get the other 2 built up, and hopefully get all the drawers and stuff in there and get it mounted nice and securely. And catch you guys on the next video. Talk to you soon. Peace.